YouTubers. Today's video is the best gift ideas for guinea pigs. I wanted to do this video while there are still Black Friday sales going on, and I'm going to jump right into this video because I have a big list to go through. So I have a couple of different categories for guinea pig gifts, mainly enrichment, food, cage, DIY, and for the guinea pig human. But obviously some of these kind of overlap, so yeah, just an FYI. But let's start with the first category, which is enrichment. The first one is a hay tunnel. Hay tunnels are great. Guinea pigs love tunnels. They can run through them, they can chew them. That's a really amazing gift, and it will occupy your guinea pigs for at least a couple of weeks. Next up is a hay house or the Timothy bungalow. My guinea pigs would absolutely love this as well. This is usually the slightly more expensive version of the tunnel, so if you want to spend a little bit more, you can also give them a house, but it works similar to the tunnel. A fleece tunnel, or in general any type of fleece items. These can be quite costly if you buy them, but usually get a really great quality. Otherwise, you can also DIY them, and I have a couple of videos on a couple of different fleece items. You don't really need to be really good at sewing, you just need a sewing machine to make them. But you can totally do that with a DIY tutorial. It's not going to look as nice as if you were to buy them from someone who's like really good at sewing, but your guinea pigs won't mind either way, so this is also a great gift that you can just do yourself. For a set of willow balls or braided ball chew, like I found different names for the same thing basically. These chew balls are just great. My guinea pigs absolutely love them. Gatsby used to love them so much, she just kept running after them. So if you have a guinea pig that really likes to chew stuff or just likes to have a nibble, this is a great gift. The Oxbow Hay Carrot Lollipop. This one looks so much fun, and you usually can find very similar items to this from like different types of brands. It's basically a hay chew toy, so it's dried hay. I thought the lollipop was quite cute because it also had a little twig, and this is a really great gift idea because, well, they're rodents, so they like to chew. The Timothy hay mat. This one's actually not available in my country, but I got this one when I went to the US a couple of years ago, and my guinea pigs had so much fun with this. They just kept chewing it and dragging it through the cage, so this is a great gift as well. My guinea pigs would absolutely love this. A wooden puzzle. I think any of these, like your guinea pigs have to think toys, is a really great idea because it's one of the few items where you as a human can actually play with your guinea pig. So I think this is a really great gift idea if you'd love to spend the break just playing with your guinea pigs and interacting with them. Let's talk about cage items. I found this tile feeding bowl and I thought it looked really neat. Most comments said that people used it for reptiles, but I think this could be really nice as a water dish for your guinea pig cage. If you want to give your guinea pigs water in a bowl, you need something really sturdy so that your guinea pigs won't be able to tip it over. And it looks really neat, and I could see it also being really nice in summer for your guinea pig's paws. And yeah, I just think this could be a really cool gift for your guinea pig cage. A glass water bottle. Cannot recommend this enough. If you're using a plastic water bottle, switch to a glass one. Most of them are usually dishwasher safe, and they're just so much easier to clean, and yeah, I think they're much nicer than the plastic ones. This Nate and Jeremiah grass wave small pet hide. I saw this and just thought it looked so cool and just really minimalist guinea pig cage look. I don't know. It looked really fun, and I could see my guinea pigs really enjoying this. Like 2 guinea pigs can hide in this, and then one can be like lying in the middle. I don't know why guinea pigs love to lie on top of things, not really on top, but like on top of something that is basically close to the floor. My guinea pigs would absolutely love this, and probably 3 guinea pigs can play with this without disturbing each other, so I think this could be a really great gift if you have multiple guinea pigs. This hand-woven twig tunnel. I really like this one because it's perfect for refilling hay. You can just stuff a bunch of hay in that, and your guinea pigs just basically have a really awesome hay tunnel. The only thing that you have to look out for, if your guinea pigs like to chew, my guinea pigs chewed this thing to basically a rubbish pile. And these twigs can be kind of sharp, so you have to watch out for that because sometimes guinea pigs are not exactly careful when it comes to running into things with their eyes open. So if your guinea pigs like to chew, watch out for that, but otherwise that's a really fun present. 2 different type of pet beds. I found this Nate and Jeremiah small pet lounger bed, which looks really fun, also has kind of a minimalist vibe going on. It could look very elegant in a cage, I guess, and this could be a great present. The other bed that I think that looks a little bit less stylish, but I think your guinea pigs can get more use out of, is the IKEA ductic bed. It's a doll bed, And the good thing about the IKEA bed is that it has a lot of space underneath the bed. So some guinea pigs can lie on top of the bed and some can hide under the bed. And it's just, you know, some guinea pigs like to jump on things, some just really like to hide. So the doll bed just really has all of these options, but it does take away a lot of space. It's surprisingly high. If you have several like levels in the cage like we have, maybe the lounge bed would be a better option than the IKEA one. Let's talk about food. Just packages of forage. They can last throughout the year and your guinea pigs will be super happy chewing their forage while you're unwrapping your presents. Pea flakes. If you haven't tried out pea flakes, give them a try. I know that some guinea pigs like take some time getting used to them. If your guinea pigs have never had them before, it probably will take a couple of days until they're willing to try them. But usually most guinea pigs get hooked quite easily once they've had their first bite. These are a really great treat, and if you haven't had them, you can try them out this Pigmas. DIY. As I said before, sew your own fleece items. There are lots of tutorials online. I have made a couple of them as well, but you can find many of them online, and it takes a lot of time to actually sew them, but you can totally do it even if you don't have any experience sewing. You can also do your own hay house. You just basically have to take a cardboard box, spread mashed banana on the outside, put forage on it, and then put it in the oven. And after half an hour to an hour, you have your own forage hay house for your guinea pigs. Food and veggie platter. We always do a Pigmas tree for the guinea pigs made up of different herbs and cucumber and just the guinea pigs' favorite vegetables. But you can also just serve them a really huge platter. You can use cookie cutters to like cut the food into a star shape. Just really get creative, but even if you don't get creative, your guinea pigs will be so happy if you just dump a bowl full of their favorite vegetables in their cage while you're celebrating with your family. You can also make your own hay nest. Just fill a wicker basket or just any type of hidey with tons of hay. Guinea pigs will love this. If you want to go the extra mile, also hide some pea flakes or any treat that they really like in there, and your guinea pigs will absolutely go to town on this one, and it's quite easy to do yourself. For the guinea pig human, obviously Little Adventures merch, our new Pigmas design is out. We spent a couple of weeks working on this one. It's the Pigmas to go design, and there's currently a Black Friday sale going on, so check that out if you have a guinea pig fan in your life. If you have any type of fleece items, get a horse blanket wash bag. Cannot recommend this enough. This is going to make your life so much easier. If you want to spoil yourself, get yourself one of these things. They're not that expensive, by the way, and they're linked down in the description bar. Also, if you have a really huge enclosure, get hunter rain boots. This is me living in the city and being really extra, but if you have a huge enclosure, get rain boots. Sometimes I just like to put my boots on, walk into the guinea pig cage and do a deep clean, not worry about my socks getting wet or anything, and just feel living on the farm that my husband always says we live on because we have this huge enclosure. Well, these are my top guinea pig gifts for 2023. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you guys next time!